This is the new Napoleon Kettle. Now, a lot of people think of these as a Weber, but Weber's just a brand name. The style of barbecue is Kettle. Easy control temperature vent, let the hot air out, let it go for low and slow. Cast iron cooking grid, which flips up if you want to add extra charcoal. What's beaut is we've got 2 cooking levels. Down there for steaks and chops. Up here for roasting and smoking. They come standard with a high quality AccuHeat temperature gauge. You want to control your temperature, hotter, colder. You want to make it nice and clean. All your muck goes into there. What's beaut and a bit unique, the lid's on a hinge. You don't have to find somewhere to put the bloody thing. So if you're after a charcoal barbecue, a Kettle or a Weber, if that's what you want to call them, come and see us here at Hot Things in Balcatta. We're your best mates in the charcoal barbecue industry.